Can I just say, ulan ng ulan lately at sobrang unpredictable ng weather kaya naintriga ko nung nakita ko sa post ng Zeus Coffee na mayroon silang panlasang Pinoy series and isa sa mga featured flavor nila ay Champorado Latte. I mean, who doesn't like Champorado? Kaya pumunta agad ako sa malapit na branch ng Zeus sa condo and I think I just came at the perfect time dahil hindi ganun kadami ang dine-in customers. Either way, napaka-spacious naman ng branch na to so you'll definitely find the spot if you choose to go here. I ordered through their app so waiting na lang ako i-flash yung number ko sa screen. There was quite a queue from the online orders pero tolerable naman. Hello? Nakakahintay ka nga sa maling tao? Sa order mo pa kaya? Ay, hindi. So ito yung order ko. I got 2 from their Panlasang Pinoy series and a cake to go with them. Grabe, hindi ko pa na-open, naaamoy ko na yung rich chocolate but no hint of coffee. So here's how it looks fresh from the store. You see the Rice Krispies and smell the chocolate. Parang ang sarap ng itsura. So I'm giving it a try. Yes, I'm using a spoon kasi nga champorado. It took me a while to debate if Rice Krispies ba siya or dehydrated rice, pero pinakomplikado ko pa ang buhay ko, so I settled with Rice Krispies. The chocolate is really rich, para ka talagang kumakain ng champurrado, but if nag-expect ka ng espresso from it being a latte, I'd say very faint yung flavor ng espresso. If you've tried Energen cereal drink before, it's giving that vibe. Overall, they delivered as advertised. I paid 130 pesos and I'll share to you my thoughts on the other drinks sa next video. But I say, go na, try mo na.